teach you a trick to solve the problem of windshield fogging. Very easy to fog up the window glass, very likely to affect the driver's sight and cause accidents. Today I will teach you how to solve this problem without spending a penny. But friends who came in to watch my video, if it is convenient for you, give me a red heart and a follow. He doesn't need anything. I wish you happiness, peace and prosperity. Okay, let's stop talking nonsense and start right away. We just need to go to the bedroom. Take a cucumber that hasn't been used yet, smear it on glass. This way the glass will never fog up again. And it smells really fresh. Did you learn it? Follow me to the homepage for more car tips.